put on a nude lip today for you and Jennifer Lopez.
That just wasn't enough.
Welcome to the Amalie MacGowan baking extravaganza, where no one will come out happy. I knew I was not a baker from a young age. People would say that my baking was, quote, indigestible, but we're here regardless because my coworkers think it's funny. Let's get baking.
Wait. Hold your horses. You forgot to mention the contest winner.
You're right, Leandra. This video is intended for @AustinTextSid, who kindly recommended that we shoot a video of cookie making. I'm sure they did not intend for me to make said cookies but here we are. And the recipe will be delightful. Love you, AustinTextSid. Seriously though, you are wonderful. You're the reason that we do what we do at Repeller, and you are a winner in every capacity in life. This tahini cookie. Cream, butter, sugar, and tahini. Let's get cooking. This is supposed to be room temperature. It is not. I'm gonna stick this in the microwave. Guess how long I've had this tahini in my fridge for. You don't want to know. Creamy. Cup is so much freaking sugar, guys. Remember someone was like, you should make healthy cookies? I was like, she's speaking to me. Alright, that's that on that. Big on. Let's get whipping. So much. Oh my god. I left the wrapper on the butter. Egg yolk and vanilla. Continue mixing. Wait for another 5 minutes. 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk. It's really intimidating. Not today, sir. Don't act like that. Vanilla. Voila. My braid keeps getting caught in my blouse. I don't know why I decided that today was the day to dress like Virginia Woolf. This was an interesting choice on my part. I can't believe there are 2 of these. I didn't know. I'm like a freaking idiot, man. Okay, Emmy was entirely right. This looks significantly better. 1 cup of flour. 1/2 teaspoon. This is very important. I always fuck this up. Soda. 1/2. Powder. Also 1/2. And kosher salt. How much salt? 1 teaspoon. That's a hefty salt portion. It's a lot of salt. She's moving. Are you serious right now? She's being naughty. Naughty. I had to mix with a fork. I'd go to that club.
Flour mixture to butter mixture at low speed until just combined.
I can do it. I don't know, actually. This one's a tough one. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I have mixed mostly everything. Oh god. It's not gonna be awful. We like not awful in the business. This is... I don't... no. I'm gonna lick these batter. I'm gonna lick these beaters in privacy. Okay, no, I'm gonna do that later. Refrigerate at least 12 hours? No freaking way. Not today. I have to refrigerate it. There's no getting out of it. Cookies aren't gonna happen for a little bit. Hours. I'm determined to cook them tonight though. Not even the Bon Appetit food gods could stop me. Not even Jonathan Cheban could stop me from making these damn cookies tonight. My neighbors hate me. Wow, looks delish. Remember when Jason Derulo put his phone in the oven to do that cookie thing. I put my phone in the oven to do the cookie thing now. You get it? An executive decision has been made. The cookies are being baked. Make a little wish.
Oh my god, stop.
I am available for parties and catering. My fee is $10,000 an event.
Gorgeous, beautiful, lush, stunning. Wow.